10 or 11 or 12.
So can I take it?
Yeah.
Say, Jewel, come here. Hi. Say, Jewel. Do you want to give her a namis, Jelana? No? Later?
No, Dad doesn't buy me guns, but he gets me.
And that's not do Tommy.
Yeah.
They give me a high pod.
Oh, Jewel give you a high five?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. See, she's waiting for you.
You're supposed to have a treat in your hand, and then you go,
You have to have a treat, see.
It's the first time Rocky comes up here. He goes, I wouldn't even be mowing my lawn without a pistol on me.
Oh, because of the bear?
I'm like, you don't mow your lawn anyway. It'd be Vera without a gun. Vera mows the lawn. I know.
Oh, shoot.
they're already scary. Oh yeah, no one messes with Mom because she's scary.
Grandma, how Grandma said? Did you remember how Grandma said? On the moose? But you didn't remember how Grandma said on the moose?
What do you mean?
What she said earlier.
The natural enemy of the moose is the wolf. So they see a dog and they see
Yeah, I said to Grandma that.
Can you copy what she said? No.
Like, la, la,
No.
la.
Ano ba, paano pagkakasabi mo, Mother? Sa moose? Hindi. Nung pinalayas mo.
What did you say to me? Yeah. That's why.
Yeah!
And I said to her, don't bark, it makes it worse. She'll go after you because it's the worst enemy of a moose is the wolf.
But the moose left when Grandma barked at her.
Because she was making hand motions.
So we remembered from one day to the next, she ran after she heard the shot in the butt.
But she's still here.
Is the shot in the butt is just BB gun, right?
It's a light bird shot. It won't break your skin. That's what I gave you. I'm running out.
Okay.
The other ones I have in there.
So that one is not gonna hurt, just like a pinch. But it's just a pinch for them.
Yes.
But it's not gonna hurt them. Okay.
The other stuff I have in there will hurt.
Ano yun, Mother?
She'll like die.
Ano sa?
No, it won't break the skin.
Aling kahoy?
No, like the ones inside.
Ayan.
The slug.
Okay.
How much?
So if I had to kill it, I would have to use a slug.
How much would you use?
Wow, that's a lot of cotton wood.
One slug, then another 3 or 4. It was dead.
Remember, you had to use like sticks to get down the porcupine.
3. Are you laughing about Dad and his porcupine got stuck in the tree?
That's funny.
So a slug knocked it out. Because a slug is a big old lead ball.
What a porcupine fun though. When we're gonna go cleaning. That's what happened. And then there's a porcupine right there.
Oh, Dad, can you do the gun there? Why would the gun?
No, it's not. I'm not getting off because I'm Stigma. No, I'm not getting off on Stigma.
Hey, Julie, stay. Get out there.
Oh.
No, Julene, there's a gun. You don't want a gun. Okay, go. Oh, doon on the other side, not cone.
There you go. Let me sit in my lap.
Yeah.
That's a big hole.
You want some of this? You want some of this?
Do it.
She goes, oh, that hurt. Ready?
No, I want to tell you to
So when you come around,
Juliana, don't scream. No, pabayaan mo. No, do you want Jade to go out? Then now you don't have a friend to play with.
you come across hard.
See, now she's gonna go. See? Don't.
But you gotta do it real fast because they're right. They're coming at you.
Careful, the moose might be there listening.